Now let's focus on the stuff that I want to focus on, which is what do the successful investors do? And this is what you want to model yourself after, right? So contrary to what you believe, a lot of people think that, in order to be successful, you have to be extremely disciplined. You have to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. You have to have a perfect schedule. You have to have everything. Yeah, that's not true. We're going to cut that out right now. That is not true. Mindset is extremely important. The most successful investors that I have ran across, most of them are long-term thinkers, not short-term thinkers. Most of them understand the value of a relationship. Most of them understand the value of communication. Most of them understand the value of efficiency and speed. Most of them understand the value of getting the work done, understand the value of having a clean file, meaning getting it done sooner rather than later. So they understand things that people who are unsuccessful just don't understand. When I'm talking to a successful investor, I can tell within the first 2 minutes of that phone call who I'm dealing with. Just the way they handle themselves, what kind of questions they ask, how direct they are, how quick they are, and how efficient they are, and how quickly they make decisions based off of the information. Those tend to be my best clients. Those tend to be the clients that refer more business to me, and those tend to be the clients that continue to come back, and those tend to be the clients that appreciate our services the most. And those tend to be the clients who have the most in their bank account when we look at their bank statements, right? They don't sit around and cry over a couple $1,000 here and there, because at the end of the day, if a couple hundred or a couple thousand is going to be the end of their deal, it wasn't a good deal to begin with. They understand the bigger picture, right? They understand that you pay for quality, right? CJ's team, they're really good at what they do. They get the job done very quickly, very efficiently. Time is money. This is a team I want to work with. You know what I mean? And I'm willing to pay a little bit more in order to get that service from that team, right? I'm not about to nickel and dime over $100, $200 a rate or anything like that, because at the end of the day, the thing that's important for a successful investor is actually getting the deal done in a fast and efficient manner. That is the biggest thing that I noticed between somebody who's not successful and somebody who is successful, right? The person who is successful values their time more than the person who is not. For example, I've had dinner and lunch with people who make millions. I've had dinner and lunch with people who don't got a penny to their name. The people who don't have a penny to the name, they never on time. They want to sit there and talk all day. They take forever to order. They have no value on their time. I eat dinner with the millionaires. They order as soon as the waiter comes. The waiter comes for water. They're like, no, we're ready to order. They put their orders in. The conversations that we have are very, very streamlined. The questions that they ask are important questions, and it's just a better overall process. Those are the personalities that I tend to connect with because, I am closer to that spectrum than I am the other spectrum, right? Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you want to book a one-on-one mentorship call with me, click the link in the bio. Whether you make less than $200,000, you need help getting there, or you make more and you want to jump into real estate investing, click the link in the bio, book a call with me ASAP.